morning students. Today I am going to continue exercise 12 question 7. In question 7, perimeter of rectangle is given as 72 meter and one side is given 20 meter. Then they are asked for another side and area of rectangle. As we know, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 72 equals to 2 into 20 plus x. 72 upon 2. Here 2 is in form of multiplication, so on transpose it is in the form of division. 72 upon 2, that is 36, is equals to 20 plus x. So x equals to 36 minus 20, 16 meter. So x is equal to 16 meter. It means another side of rectangle is of 16 meter. Now area of rectangle. Area of rectangle length into breadth. So 20 into 16, 320 meter square. Now in C part. Perimeter of theatre is given as 100 meter. Perimeter of theatre is given as 100 meter, which is of the form of kite, and one side of kite is given as 20 meter. Then they are asking for another side of the kite. As you know, two distinct pairs of kites are equal. Two distinct pairs means it is of 20. Then AB is also of 20. These two sides are equal, and that two sides are equal. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equals to 100. Now substitute the values 20 plus x plus 20 equals to 100. 2x plus 40 equals to 100. 2x equals to 100 minus 40, 60. 2x equals to 60 by 2, 30 meter. So in this manner, we got BC and DC of 30 meter and AB is again 20 meter. Now F part, in F part, it is given that ABC is a regular quadrilateral and the midpoint of one diagonal join the vertices is 70 centimeter. Then they are the length of another diagonal. I repeat again, ABC is a regular quadrilateral and the midpoint of one diagonal join the vertices is of length 70 cm and we have to find AC. Since ABCD is a regular quadrilateral, so all sides and all angles are equal. In regular polygon, all sides and all angles are equal. Here we have regular quadrilateral. It means all sides and all angles are equal. It means ABCD is a square. Since ABCD is a square, so BD is twice of OB. BD is twice of OB. 2 into 70, 140 centimeter. We know that diagonals of the square are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Therefore, AC equals to BD equals to 140 centimeter. Now, student, today's homework. Do exercise 12B, question 7th, A part, D part, E part, and G part. Only 4 parts in your maths copy. And upload the image in the link given by your class teacher through online class. Thank you students. Have a nice day.